Hi! In front of me is REALME C17 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, tap on this plus at the bottom left corner and then click on your photos right away. If you want to, you can also click on this gallery icon, select Photos or Google Photos app, and pick your pictures from here. Just tap on the chosen one and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!